Support tickets pile up. A new hire waits on laptop access. The billing team cannot reach the system it needs. A security alert sits unresolved while managers chase approvals. That is the daily pain behind managed IT decisions. And as Max Barnhart, Director of Sales at Integritek, says, good managed IT gives leaders cleaner decisions, not just fewer tickets, because every request, renewal, and risk review has an owner and a process behind it. Managed IT is not just about outsourcing tickets. It is about deciding who owns support, security, vendor coordination, employee onboarding, device provisioning, and operational accountability as your business grows. The key service areas include help desk support, device lifecycle management, security monitoring, and backup recovery planning. Each one connects directly to how work gets approved, supported, secured, and scaled. Security also deserves its own review. Monitoring, endpoint protection, firewall management, employee training, backup, and practical documentation all support compliance and audit readiness. Then there are decisions around cloud services, Microsoft 365 administration, procurement, lifecycle management, backup, disaster recovery, and security monitoring. Leaders need clear ownership, useful reporting, and a plan that fits growth. The right managed services plan should follow your business priorities. Faster onboarding, fewer recurring disruptions, stronger risk controls, cleaner vendor coordination, and better planning. Before choosing a provider or package, look at where work slows down, where risk is underdocumented, and where spending lacks a plan. Map recurring tickets to business processes. Review onboarding and offboarding. Identify security gaps. Check licensing, hardware age, contracts, renewals, and purchasing patterns. If you want a clearer way to connect managed IT services to your real workflows, read the full article. And add this to your Spotify playlist so you can come back to it when you are ready to evaluate your next step.